In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on a Microsoft Teams meeting, enabling seamless collaboration and communication with your team. Sharing documents during a meeting can enhance productivity, allowing everyone to access and discuss the same material in real time. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams app or website and join a scheduled meeting or create a new one. Once you're in the meeting, pay attention to the meeting control panel located at the bottom of your screen. You'll want to select the Share Content button, which looks like a box with an upward arrow. This action opens up a variety of sharing options. In the Sharing Options menu, you will see several choices, including Desktop, Window, PowerPoint, and Browse. Each option serves a different purpose. For sharing a simple document, using the Window or Browse option is often the best choice. If you choose Browse, you can navigate through your recent files or upload a new document from your computer. This method is effective because it keeps the focus on the document itself rather than everything happening on your screen. Suppose your document is saved on OneDrive or another cloud service, you'll be able to navigate to these locations directly and select your file from there. This feature is particularly useful for those who utilize cloud storage for collaborative work. Once you've selected your document, it will be shared with all participants, and they'll be able to see it on their screens. It's important to explain to them that you are sharing your document and ask if everyone can view it correctly. This will ensure that technical issues are resolved immediately. While you're sharing, keep in mind you have control over who can modify or annotate your document. To adjust these settings, locate the More options within the Sharing menu. This gives you the flexibility to manage access according to the needs of your team, whether you want to permit others to edit, annotate, or simply view the document. For an effective presentation, consider using the annotation tools available within Teams. These tools allow you to highlight key points or make notes during the meeting, making it easy for your colleagues to follow along. Simply select the tools from the toolbar available at the top of your screen during document sharing. Remember to continually engage with your audience, asking for feedback or questions as you present the document. This interaction ensures that everyone is on the same page and that no one is left behind. When you are done sharing your document, revisit the meeting controls and click the Stop Sharing button. This will end the document sharing session while allowing the meeting to continue. Wrapping up, document sharing in Microsoft Teams meetings is an excellent way to facilitate real-time collaboration, allowing your team to view, discuss, and interact with documents efficiently. I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity needed to do so successfully. Happy sharing!